तुषार IAS ऑफिसर ही बनेगा. I was born in a family which was essentially a farmer oriented family. So I decided कि यार मुझे साइंस नहीं करना है. तुषार है तो इसके अच्छे मार्क्स ही आने चाहिए. श्रीराम कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स. And now I'm running my own company at the age of 23. Hello everyone, मेरा नाम तुषार है. So just to give you crux of the entire video and to tell about myself, I was born in a family that was primarily a farmer family. Then because of all the different things that I was exposed to in my life, I got a chance to go to one of the good colleges in India by the name of SRCC. Post that, I got a chance to work for one of the big 4 companies when it comes to audit and consulting, Deloitte, and now I'm running my own company at the age of 23. So I'll tell you कि ये स्टोरी शुरू कैसे हुई, कहाँ से मैं आया, मैंने क्या किया और कैसे मैं यहाँ तक पहुंचा जहाँ पे मैं अपनी कंपनी चला रहा हूँ at the age of 23. So I was born in a family which was essentially a farmer oriented family and it was a joint family. And interesting thing was कि मेरी joint family के साथ साथ मेरी पूरी extended family used to live in the same area. So everybody's expectations, everybody's judgments, everybody's views were something that I was always exposed to. Luckily or maybe unluckily, I was smart in school. So पढ़ाई में I was good. My mother used to push me to study hard. My siblings were not as I would say good in academics, but otherwise obviously they are doing very well. So इसीलिए सबकी expectations मुझ पे होती थी कि यार तुषार है तो इसके अच्छे मार्क्स ही आने चाहिए. तुषार है तो इसको हम ये करवाएंगे क्योंकि हमारी फैमिली में ये सबसे अच्छा पढ़ता है. So सबको स्टार्टिंग से ये पता था कि तुषार है वो अच्छा पढ़ता है. That is why तुषार IAS ऑफिसर ही बनेगा और वो कुछ नहीं करेगा. वो गवर्नमेंट जॉब ही करेगा, वो और कुछ नहीं करेगा. But when I was small, I always used to obey to my parents, my family, my teachers. So जैसे उन्होंने बोला वैसा मैंने किया. उन्होंने बोला कि यार चलो ठीक है, अच्छे से पढ़ो, अच्छे मार्क्स लाओ. मैंने वैसा किया. I was very focused in school, and that is how I was raised. Luckily, I got the chance to go to one of the good colleges in India, which is by the name of Shriram College of Commerce, which is a good college when it comes to commerce. So first, friction that happened was when I was choosing if I have to choose science, arts or commerce. So my sister chose commerce, but because I was a smart student, I was supposed to choose science, and that is what was told by my family, by all the mentors that I consulted, and even my school teachers. But at that point in time, मैं इतना frustrate हो गया था ना सब लोगों को मुझे चीजें बताते हुए कि यार तुषार ये कर, तुषार ये कर, तुषार ये कर, that I just wanted to break free. I wanted to do something different. I wanted to do something that was not expected from me. So I decided कि यार मुझे साइंस नहीं करना है. I was good in chemistry, biology and physics, but I decided मुझे साइंस नहीं करना है. I would want to do something which is called commerce. मैं commerce करूंगा. Whatever people might think कि यार ये weak होगा शायद, तभी इसने commerce ली, या फिर इसको साइंस नहीं हो रही होगी, इसलिए इसने commerce ली. I was okay with that. मैंने बोला कि मैं करूंगा ही नहीं, मैं commerce ही करूंगा. And post that, I decided I'll put my hard work, I'll do it, and then I got a chance to go to SRCC. SRCC में now हम लोग बोलते हैं वो इंडिया का सबसे बढ़िया कॉलेज है, but when you go to SRCC, you'll realize that every single student in the college is either a topper of their school or their city or their state or India, or that student was doing something extraordinary in his entire school lifetime. And that is when you realize that very very smart kids are there. But धीरे धीरे when you start getting into the college, you start realizing कि सब बच्चे सेम है, सबको जॉब चाहिए, सबको CA करनी है, सबको MBA करनी है. There is nothing which is different in the college, and because of competition, because of pressure of that competition, you end up doing what everybody else is doing. You become part of the herd. जैसे बोलते हैं ना भेड़ चाल, वहां पे तुम्हें इतना धकेला जाता है इसमें, तुम सब लोग क्योंकि जॉब ले रहे होते, तुम्हें भी लगता है यार हमें भी सबसे अच्छी जॉब चाहिए. And that is why I also ended up getting a job in Deloitte without thinking कि मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे क्या पसंद है, मुझे क्या नापसंद है. बिकॉज सब लोग वो कर रहे थे तो मुझे भी लगा कि यार वही सही चीज है, वही करनी चाहिए. What started happening in the job, I got a chance to work in Deloitte in the consulting domain in the automobile sector. Very exciting job. But after a point of time, I started realizing and I started questioning the bigger things in life. I started realizing, I'm coming to this job, I'm being paid well. मैं आता हूँ, काम करता हूँ, काम अच्छा चल रहा है. Team is good, everything is going good. But where am I going or what am I doing so concrete or impactful, which is leaving the imprint in this world? Essentially, I'm just going to the office, working on some Excel sheets and PPTs, and that is what defines my life. That is what defines my work, and that is what defines the impact, which is not essentially the impact that I see. I would want to work on things that are more impactful, and that point of time when all of these things were happening with me, there was a very interesting statement that was given by Pranab Mukherjee, the then president of India, and that that was, I think, the triggering point. उस statement ने मुझे थोड़ा push कर दिया कि यार मुझे वो decision लेना पड़ेगा अपनी जिंदगी में. I can't keep on doing this job. उन्होंने बोला था कि यार अगर दुनिया के और इंडिया के सबसे स्मार्ट जो लोग हैं, अगर वो जॉब्स में जाएंगे तो उनका जो स्मार्टनेस है वो इस चीज में यूटिलाइज होगी कि उस कंपनी के डिटर्जेंट की सेल कैसे बढ़ाई जाए. तो उन्होंने बोला कि सेल तो वैसे ही बढ़ जाएगी उस डिटर्जेंट की, बट जो स्मार्टेस्ट ब्रेन्स है इंडिया के, दे हैव टू डू समथिंग व्हिच इज more impactful, which impact the masses, and that is why I decided I don't want to do this job. I would want to do something which is very different. जैसे मैंने साइंस ना लेके कॉमर्स के लिए किया था, तो वो सेम ट्रिगरिंग पॉइंट था. मैंने सोचा कि ये नहीं करना, let's do something different. I left my job. I was talking to a senior that point of time, so I came to Jaipur. I moved from Gurgaon to Jaipur to a tier 2 city. People do it otherwise, so I moved to a tier 2 city. I started working in the startup domain. उस टाइम मुझे ज्यादा पता नहीं था क्या होता है स्टार्टअप्स, क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, बट as I started interacting, as I got into this space, I started exploring this space, and we started a company by the name of Neos Angels. I joined the company and I was working as a partner. Very exciting because the work was very varied. Startups work in a very different fashion, and as the exposure worked, I just started getting into love into this entire domain, in this entire concept, because how corporate work, how otherwise people work, and how startups work is very different. Startups mein you're very free to do whatever you want. You have to run very fast. You have to do things very fast. And वो ही beauty है startup की. लोग बहुत चिल्ला है, जो भी तुम करना चाहो कर सकते हो, बस जो करना है वो अच्छा करना है, impactful करना है, and that is what made me more excited about this entire proposition. यहाँ पे आने के बाद I started my own company. I became the Head Start volunteer, and then I became the city lead of Head Start. So Head Start is one of the biggest organizations when it comes to startups. I'm also running a company now which is based out of Singapore. I'm also part of multiple startup councils, and I've been called in multiple fests as a judge member, jury member. I've also been called to my own college to guide students, mentor students. So that is very exciting, and it is very difficult to understand that a student who is from rural part of a city and has been from a background which is a farmer background and is able to do this. So I think this is what is my journey, and that is how I'm grown. So I hope this would inspire you guys as well. If you guys would want to learn more about my stories and the ideas that I believe in, please look out for my next video that is going to come. And if you want to watch more exciting videos, more motivating videos, please follow Ambitious Talks, and और videos हम आपके लिए लाते रहेंगे. So thank you so much.